Hi everyone, welcome to Best Hair. Thank you all so much for joining me, and I just wanted to hop on and do a quick video because I have had this question asked so many times this week. How do I secure a lace front? My lace front won't lay flat no matter what I try. It keeps buckling, it keeps bubbling. Help! I want to keep this wig, but I'm gonna have to send it back if it doesn't work for me. So I just want to tell you guys what I've been doing to solve that problem if you have a wig where the lace doesn't lay flat. So I'm just gonna put this hair back and just kind of show you this is not secured down, so you can see the lace there. So, but what do you do if it's like a little bit too big for you? And sometimes that's the case where the cap is too big. You know, you can always adjust your ear tabs and try to move it. Sometimes maybe our heads are shaped a little bit differently and you almost have to turn one side one way and one side the other. But in order to secure it so that you know that it is staying and that it is secure, I just want to show you what I've been doing. So I used to do the roll-on, and this just gets really messy, and then the roll-on part almost gets like stuck and won't move unless you get your finger in there, or if you leave it like this, it makes a mess in your makeup bag, so don't do that. Something like Perfect Edges is great for your own bio hair to go ahead and kind of get all of your bio hair back, but that's not going to secure your wig. A lot of people love Got to Be Glued, and on most wigs, Got to Be Glued works great. It's just a freeze hairspray basically, and people spray it on and it works. But if you have a really finicky lace that just is a little bit too big for you and it doesn't want to lay flat and it won't secure with your Got to Be, I found this new product that I absolutely love, and it is Ebon Wonder Lace Bond. Now I want you to know that I have an Amazon store, and I am going to link that below. If you click that link, you can go to my storefront, and in there I have all of my wig care products, and this is one of them in there if you click that tab on my favorite wig care products. This is a miracle worker. So I'm going to show you what I do to secure this down. Do you have to secure a lace front? No, you don't. However, if it is kind of bubbling and buckling, you might not want that. It might rub on your skin, and that will irritate your skin. So if you glue it down or you use wig tape, then that will just stop that from moving. So I do not have any wig tape. I decided that I was going to try this, and I have been super happy. So here's what I do. I have my wig grip on underneath right here. So I've put my wig on like I normally would. And I just kind of put the hair up in a little clip so that that's off because I don't want that to get glued. So right here at my hairline, that is where I want the glue, because I want this to be sitting naturally at my hairline, not down here. So I don't spray like this because, for one, I don't want to get it on the wig, and this one dries quicker than like a roll-on. So I actually spray it on my finger, and then I just rub it right there, right at the top. So let's do that. See? And then I'm just doing that right up here. Right? Not on my forehead. You know, not down here. I try to keep it right at my hairline. And I just have the wig grip back probably about a ½ an inch from my hairline. So, and you can always add, it's kind of nice, I mean, you can add a little bit extra if you need to. So I'm going to do just a little bit, just like that. Then I take the wig and I put it back down and I make sure that I'm getting it. Okay, that looks good. Now we don't have as much time as we have with the roll-on. Then I just use either my makeup brush or the end of my comb, and then I just press and hold. And just kind of the whole way where that lace is. Just press and hold. All right, so once you feel like that is secured down, if you did get any glue on your forehead, I just take a little washcloth and wipe that off. Or if you've got any on the hair, so it's water soluble. All right, so let's just comb it out and see what we think. All right, let's just take a peek. I want to look up close. So it's dry, it's not moving. So if you want to disguise that a little bit, you know, you can use your powder and you can press your powder in there. You can also kind of find the parting space and do a little bit in the parting space because the lace on this runs a little bit wide back. And there you go. And now you are secure for the day. You don't have to worry about it. It's not gonna rub on your scalp. It's not gonna rub on your forehead. So it should not be itchy. So sometimes when people say, I can't wear the lace because it's itchy, it's probably because you don't have it secured down and there's friction. It is moving. If you're even raising your eyebrows, if you do that a lot, you know, there's friction, and so it's moving, but this way it's not moving. And then it's not sticking up, it's not bubbling, it looks completely natural. If you want to wear your style up off your face, you can do so, you know, you can put it back. That's why so many of us love the lace fronts, because they just look so natural. Nobody knows that it's not your hair. All right, so Ebon Wonder Lace Bond Spray. Click the link below to my Amazon storefront. Click the tab of my favorite wig care products, and this is in there. This is a big bottle, as you can see, same as the Got To Be, and it is, I love it. It's perfect. So if you have stubborn lace, you are definitely going to want to get this. So I hope that this tip was helpful for you guys. And if you like this wig, this is VersaFiber Heidi. She is in the color SF1228 number 6, which is Honey Rooted. And I will be doing a color comparison of 4 VersaFiber Heidis. So look for that next week so you can see 4 colors of this beautiful wig. I just love it. I think it's gorgeous. And I think that you're going to love it too. All right. Have a great day. Bye-bye.